lie flat and reverse pitch, or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. 279.
Oh, it was.
Jackson was mostly sunny at 81. Worthington was sunny at 86. Other temperatures around the region. In Minnesota, Marshall had thunder at 82. No basement is available.
It's starting to
All of the buildings and interior home roads such as the closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows. It is all homes or vehicles. Evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. At 7:41 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated 2 thunderstorms capable of producing tornadoes. The first storm was located along the Iowa and Minnesota border 5 miles north of Orleans. The second storm was located 3 miles south of Spirit Lake or Nero-Gaboshi. These storms are moving to the northeast at 30 miles an hour. The tornado will be near
we don't have to go too fast right now.
p.m. around 8 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Wednesday evening for northwest Iowa and southwest Minnesota. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Wednesday evening for northwest Iowa. A tornado warning continues until 8:15 p.m. in Brown County. At 7:50 p.m., a tornado was reported 3 miles northwest of Bedelia. Another report of the tornado was just southeast of Henska. At 7:50 p.m., the tornado producing severe thunderstorm was located south of Henska, or about 12 miles south of Nome, moving east at 25 miles an hour. The tornado will otherwise remain over mainly rural areas of Brown and Wickham counties. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available,
nature, which means that some areas now still much and others are seeing some pretty heavy downpours and some large hail in these vicinities, and it does appear that much of South Central will still see this activity through the next couple of hours. So stay tuned. We'll keep you posted on the latest counties that will get affected.
Yep.
Do you think that they're worried about pressure from the White House?
What happens is, I mean, most people who run for, let's say, the Senate.
A severe thunderstorm warning continues until 8:45 p.m. for some.
Trees now. It's filling in now a little bit. Come on, baby. There's a little debris. Is that farm shed over there to the right?
Yep.
That's gonna get hit.
Maybe.
Uh-oh. It's going away now.
I think it's gonna get stronger.
You wanna go north? I gotta piss before we move again.
Me too.
Yeah. You see much?
Right now? By Mankato?
West of Mankato.
Yeah, just west of Mankato.
12 miles.
Yeah, yeah. Yep, I do. Is there another funnel? That's Care 11. Yeah. North here. Is this a road?
Yeah, just go north whenever you can.